Good day to you all. I'm Nudrat Sampson. I welcome you all in today's class. Our topic is types of chemical reactions from chapter number 2. In chemistry, chemical reactions or chemical change is a process which alters the composition of a substances and one or more new substances are formed from the original substances. During a chemical reaction, original substances are converted or changed or they form one or more new substances. The original substances are called reactants in chemistry, and the new substances which are formed as a reaction of the original substances are called product. So the substances which react are called reactants and the new substances formed are called product. Let's have a look at this example. When iron reacts with oxygen in the presence of moisture, it forms iron oxide, or we can call it rust, that is of red-brown color. Types of chemical reaction. Now we are going to start our today's topic, and that is types of chemical reactions. In chemistry, we have 5 types of chemical reaction: combustion, synthesis, decomposition, single displacement, and double displacement reactions. Again, I'll repeat: combustion reactions, synthesis reactions, decomposition reaction, single displacement reaction, and double displacement reactions. Before coming to the definitions of these reactions, let's have a look at the general formulas for these reactions so you could understand what are these types of chemical reaction. Combination reactions are also called synthesis reaction, or we can say that synthesis reactions are also called combination reactions. As the combination, you could understand by the word combining of two things. So when two substances combine and form a compound, that is called a combination reaction. These are the general equations for these reactions. Decomposition. Decomposition means division of any substance into parts. So here is a compound AB. It will dissociate or decompose into two different substances A and B. Single displacement reaction. Displacement means change in the position. If any substance changes its position. Single displacement, single means one. That means one substance is going to change its position. So here we have A and the other we have a compound B, C. So as this type of equation name is single displacement. So one substance is going to change its position. So here B is going to remove from here, A is going to join with C, so it will form AC compound and B gets separated. Double displacement. Double displacement means two substances are going to change their position. So we have two compounds over here, AB, CD. A will go with D and it will form A, D. B will form a compound with C and it will be B, C. So A is also changing its position and B is also changing its position. And if we see from this side, C is also changing its partner and D is also changing its partner. So that's why these types of equations are called double displacement reactions. Combustion reaction. Combustion reactions are those reactions. Here you can see that any substance, any compound, if it reacts with the oxygen of the air, substances which react with the oxygen of the air, they will always form carbon dioxide and water. Carbon dioxide and water. Okay, now coming to the first type of chemical reaction, and that is a combination reaction or the synthesis reaction. combination reaction or the synthesis reaction. Now let's have a look at the definition of combination or the synthesis reaction. Synthesis or the combination reactions are two substances combine to make one compound. When two substances combine and they form one compound, these are called combination reactions. Synthesis reaction, two substances combine and form one compound. Now here are the few examples for the synthesis reaction so you could understand the concept clearly. Here we have one substance, that is hydrogen, and the other one is oxygen. When hydrogen combines with oxygen, it forms a compound and that is called water, H2O. Second example, we have ammonia, NH3. When ammonia reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid, ammonia form ammonium chloride. Both the compounds get combined. So that's why we call it a combination reaction. When magnesium reacts with oxygen, it forms magnesium oxide. When chlorine reacts with sodium, it forms sodium chloride. So here you can see it clearly and you can understand it that both the substances are getting combined with each other and they are forming a new substance. From hydrogen and oxygen forms water. From ammonia and hydrochloric acid form ammonium chloride. Magnesium reacts with oxygen and form magnesium oxide. Sodium with chlorine forms sodium chloride compound. Now the next type of, here we have the second type of chemical reaction and that is decomposition reaction. Decomposition reaction. A single compound breaks down into two or more elements or compounds. A single compound breaks down into two or more elements or compounds in decomposition reactions. Decomposition reaction. Here we have a compound A, B, and it is going to break down into two or more simpler products. So A and B compound is going to decompose. So we have here A and B. Both are dissociated. Now come to the examples of decomposition reactions. Here we have a water molecule H2O. This will dissociate and water gets separated out and oxygen is separated out. Calcium carbonate CaCO3. Here we have calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. H2CO3. What we have here? H2CO3. That is a formula of carbonic acid. When carbonic acid is decomposed, it forms water and carbon dioxide. Now students, you have observed something, that both of these combination reaction and the decomposition reactions are vice versa of each other. In combination reaction, two substances combine and they form one compound, and that compound is when dissociated again into two substances, that is called decomposition reaction. In combination reaction, two or more reactants are combined to form a single product, where as if we see in the decomposition reaction, in decomposition reaction, one reactant is broken down into two or more products. Now the next type of chemical reaction we have, that is a single displacement reaction. Single displacement reaction. Now coming to the definition of single replacement reaction. A single replacement reaction is a chemical change in which one element replaces a second element in a compound. One element replaces a second element in a compound. All single displacement reactions have the general formula. We have already discussed it before. Here we are going to discuss it again. Here we have A combining with a compound BC. So this one element is going to replace the other element. So which one is getting replaced? Yes, B from the C is getting replaced and A is coming there. So it will form AC and here we have a B replaced. Again here we have the same thing, B, C and A. A will replace the B element, B gets separated out and A will form a compound with C and that will be AC. Now here are some more examples for this single replacement reactions. Here we have zinc, it will react with HCl, hydrochloric acid. Which element is going to be replaced from HCl, hydrochloric acid? That zinc is going to come here and replace hydrogen from here and it will form zinc chloride and hydrogen is separated. In the second example, here we have iron Fe. It will replace copper and it will form ferrous sulfate. In the third example, we have potassium bromide and chlorine. This chlorine will break that compound and it will replace potassium from here and it will form potassium chloride and bromine will get separated. Now the next type of chemical reaction we have double displacement reaction. Let's have a look at the definition of double displacement reaction. A double replacement reaction is a chemical reaction where two reactant ionic compounds exchange ions to form two new product compounds with the same ions. Double displacement. Let's have a look here. AgNO3, that is silver nitrate, NaCl, sodium chloride. We are having a look at the example for double displacement. Please keep it in mind, we are having a double displacement reaction. So these two compounds from here, silver Ag, that will replace NaCl and it will form AgCl. Okay, silver chloride. As that moves here, the Na from here will move there and Na combines with NO3 and form sodium nitrate. Okay, so we have double displacement here. Ag is replacing Na and Na is replacing Ag. So both the compounds are changing their partners. First we have Ag with NO, now we have Ag with Cl, silver nitrate, and now we have silver chloride. We have sodium chloride and now we have sodium nitrate. Now here are some more examples of double displacement reactions. When hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium chloride, when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium hydroxide, it forms sodium chloride and water. When barium chloride, BaCl2, when barium chloride reacts with silver nitrate, Ba will be displaced to NO3 and Ag will Cl. Silver chloride and barium nitrate is formed. Here we have calcium carbonate and hydrochloric acid. Calcium will replace hydrogen and it will form calcium chloride. This hydrogen will replace calcium and will join with CO3 and it will forms carbonic acid. Next we have combustion reaction. When oxygen combines with another compound. When oxygen combines with another compound to form water, carbon oxide, it is called combustion reaction. When oxygen combines with other compound, it could be any other compound. When oxygen combines with other compounds, it will always form carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy is released during these types of chemical reactions. Let's have a look at the examples. Here we have some examples of combustion reaction. When methane reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide, water, and heat energy is released. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and heat is released. When sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur trioxide. Now students, coming to your homework, you have to define chemical reactions and its types with at least 2 examples. Do all the homework given to you from the first lesson till the present one in your copy. Marks will be given to you on the basis of your homework and activities. Stay home, be safe, wear mask, protect yourself and follow SOPs for COVID-19 given by WHO, World Health Organization and Government of Pakistan. Stay home, be safe. See you in the next session. Till then, bye-bye. Here are the examples. When methane reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide, water, and heat is released. When carbon reacts with oxygen, it forms carbon dioxide and heat is released. When sulfur dioxide reacts with oxygen, it forms sulfur dioxide.